Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen rotation not working on NUBIA Neo 3. Let's begin! So, normally, if you have troubles with your screen rotation, if you would go into application that supports both portrait and landscape mode, like for example our calculator, you would see that whenever we try to rotate the device, nothing is really happening, even if we try very hard. And this is because our screen rotation isn't enabled. We can enable it by just swiping down twice, and then if we go right, we should see auto rotate here. Now this is very hidden, so I would advise you to just press and hold it. And as you can see, we are now in the auto rotate screen, and we can go into enable screen rotation button. This is very interesting because now our screen rotation will begin working. However, it won't be automatic. If we would go into, for example, our calculator once again, we can now try to rotate the device, and you can see that once again it is not rotating at all, which could mean that maybe this one calculator doesn't really support both modes. This is very important because sometimes we think that application supports both modes, while in reality it doesn't. It's just locked into portrait mode. And I think that the best way to test it, oh, that's interesting, we have an app lock here. To test this is to go into Google, because now I believe that Google by default has both modes. And you can see that after we enabled that screen rotation button option, let's try to rotate, we had a little icon here, but now it disappeared, so I will go once again here. And sometimes it just doesn't work, unfortunately. As you can see, the icon keeps disappearing, sometimes it doesn't appear at all. And having the icon is somewhat useful, like you can click it to manually rotate your screen, but having it automatic is way better. So I will once again go into my control center here, and now I will just click auto rotate instead of holding, and now auto rotation is enabled. And if we go into, for example, Google, you can see that it's already working, and it will begin automatically rotating every single time we actually rotate our device. And finally, if you've made sure that the application you want to use in landscape or portrait mode actually supports those modes, and you know that your auto rotation feature is actually enabled, there is one last thing you can do to make sure that it will work, and it's to simply reboot your device. And you can do that by pressing and holding the power button and then choosing restart twice. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but trust me, it does really work. Whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software but hardware as well, including gyroscope, which is, as you can probably guess, responsible for detecting your screen rotation and then using that information to rotate your screen accordingly. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, oh, that was cool. Anyway, if you found that useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.